Thanks for staying with us. We still have our guest for today, and you know, one of the things we wanted to find out is how you let loose, how you know, all these things you're trying to do, working with startups. Do you get time to play? Do you get time to be a woman?
Yes, yes, I do. And I particularly remember getting into my 40s. I told my husband, I said, this is my soft life years. This is my baby girl years, you know. So, yeah, so I love to listen to music, especially rap music. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Hardcore.
Yeah.
Wow.
You know, yeah, I'm a hip hop head, so it helps me unwind.
Nice.
Yeah, so I like that a lot. Then, yeah, I like to hang out with my friends, with family. I love to host.
Host the ladies of your view. Let's
why not? Please. I love to host.
Mother-in-law.
Yes. I like to host.
mother people.
Yeah, exactly. So yes, and yeah, just good time, good vibes. Yeah.
So,
I'm a jolly good fella.
Okay. So you know, just talking about husband being there, you mentioned how he's a good support for you. And tell us in ways, if you can, that he's supported you and how you feel that support has helped you.
Okay, so first and foremost, his company is a venture studio. So a venture studio is like an accelerator that, you know, helps businesses go to the next level. So my company, that's a technology company, is a portfolio company of his venture studio. So a lot of the people that work with us, for example, the people building our technology, their company sourced it. The product manager we have is paid by their company.
So that's some support.
Yeah, a whole lot of support.
Practical support.
Yes, you know, so that is one fantastic way. Then he puts me on, access opportunities, you know, oh, they need somebody to speak there. You can do it. Go and speak. They need somebody to do this. I know somebody who can do this. Oh, so because we're in the same space, and then, you know, he deals with startups also.
We just watched a movie, Acholo Good, where they tell us that Igbo men don't like their women to be independent. They like them to be dependent. Is that
He's
true?
Yoruba actually. He's Yoruba actually. So hey,
So maybe
shout out to DLM.
So I wanted to ask, what's the weirdest aspect of being a woman for you? And if you could, would you rather be a man?
First, let me answer the last question first. No.
Okay.
I would, if I had to, I mean, if there's anything like reincarnation, I would definitely come back as a female, right? As a female, and especially as a mom, they ask you things that they don't ask the other guys. Like, oh, who's taking care of your kids?
Yes, how you
but they are
juggling?
men, yes, but they are men who are fathers, and nobody gets to ask them those kind of questions.
Yes.
you know.
Guess what? They even ask me things like, so you're here again? Yes, they say that. We see you everywhere. Yes, I've gotten that a couple of times. When I go to events and you're everywhere. I'm like, no, I'm not everywhere. So at some point, I had to, you know, make it, because I'm a very comic person too. I had to make a joke out of it and say, oh, have you seen me in your dreams? And I told them, I said, until you see me in your dreams, then that means you're seeing me everywhere. Until then,
no, I'm not yet everywhere.
I'm not yet everywhere. You know, so those kind of things. But I mean, for me, it's more food to my fire.
So we have to wrap up with you, but just on the last note, tell us where you see the future, where you're going, where you're heading, because as a woman, entrepreneur, lawyer, you have all these big plans, this big company you've put together. Where do you see yourself in the next 5 years?
5 years, I see myself exiting Pucket Lawyers as Africa's first global legal tech unicorn.
Wow.
Yes, because what we're building is not just a product for Nigeria or for Africa, it's a product for the world. Literally any lawyer can go on there and create their virtual law office. So, yes.
Well done.
Currently, we have about 6 countries, Nigeria, Ghana, Kenya, Rwanda, you know, their lawyers are already...
countries, Muslim.
Yes. In the
Congratulations, wishing you the best.
Thank you so much.
That is all we can take.
Opa's dad's birthday as well. He's 75 years old.
Mr. Shen Jobi.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, sir. God bless you many more years. That's all we can take on today's show. Hope you learned a few things as we have. Have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now.